Hey everybody, this is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, in a beautiful area of Baltimore, Maryland. This actual area is called Forest Park, and this is a great area for buying and holding, as well as rehabbing and flipping. Now, what I'm going to tell you about this property is that this was a deal that one of my Mastermind students actually already has in the contract. We've already done the work on it. If you've seen my earlier videos, you would have seen how the work was done and so on. So we're going to go inside, and then I'm going to show you exactly how much they've already finished, and then we're going to come back out and I'm going to show you the numbers that count. Let's go inside. Hey guys, this is Charles again. As you can see, did a fantastic job on this project. I'm so proud of my Mastermind student, Jeffrey Johnson, who actually completed this project. Now, let me tell you about the numbers that count. This was an actual deal that my Mastermind student, Jeffrey Johnson, got under contract. We got a home equity line of credit on this property for about $85,000. So with that home equity line of credit, we did the rehab work on this project. The rehab work only cost about $35,000. So we got an after repair value on this property of around $160 to $175. So let's break down the numbers. The actual property was free and clear. So we got an actual rehab cost of about $35,000, and the actual property value is somewhere around $160,000, $165,000, can go as high as $175,000. Now, the great part about this deal is the money that he put in through the HELOC, he's going to put back when we refi. So literally he's getting in with zero money out of pocket, plus the property will rehab at around, or should I say the after repair value is somewhere around $160,000, $165,000. So he has another 80% loan that we're going to put when we refi. He'll be able to walk away with money in his pocket somewhere around probably $75,000 to $85,000 range is what he'll be able to put in his pocket and still replenish the HELOC, so he can still have that HELOC sitting there waiting for another deal. That's what we call being a transaction engineer, and that's what I teach my students, how to take a deal and be a transaction engineer doing that deal. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, signing out, Forest Park area, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.